The annual conference of the Risk and Insurance Management Society begins Sunday, April 21st. Thousands of risk managers, insurers, brokers, and service providers are expected to attend RIMS 2013. Our own Brian Vermeer will be reporting from the conference in Los Angeles. If you're there, make sure to say hello to RIN TV. Coverage begins Monday with interviews, news reports, and other special features. Be sure to join us. Meanwhile, we pulled together highlights of recent reports that preview some of the main topics sure to be on the RIMS agenda. The fully edited reports remain available on the RIN TV on-demand library.
The dimension of issues, the size of claims, the amount of issues, and the amount of claims, and the amount of new risks has made the risk manager an essential member of decision-making in every organization.
There is a global movement in insurance today that is much more expansive than it was before. State-based regulation is best for the United States, and we don't need to have the imposition of a federal regulatory system to be able to deal at the global level.
The annual RIMS conference is next week, and certainly this will be on the top of everybody's mind. Do you think there will be a marked increase in the demand for terror coverage?
Well, I think that there's going to certainly be heightened attention to it, and yes, I think it will likely stimulate demand. However, the need for TRIPRA is going to be focused by this event as no other event since 9/11. It is the first attack of this nature on U.S. soil since 9/11.
Enterprise risk management allows risk professionals in their organizations to provide greater value in their organization by not just allowing for indemnification for events that happen, so it's post-event, but to get in front of a broad array of potential risks or threats to the organization and be proactive.
Cyber insurance policies can include several different coverages, really more than several, but the key ones I think most people are thinking about when it's cyber is liability, of course, defense and settlement, and then the breach response costs that come from having a data breach or data lost out into the wild. The coverages can be broader than that. For example, you can have business interruption coverage, you can have cyber extortion coverage, regulatory response costs coverage, theft coverage beyond cyber extortion.
At RIMS, I think we're going to continue to hear about cyber insurance and some of the newest innovations in cyber insurance. I think we'll begin to hear about reputation insurance and many others.
We'd like to thank the sponsors of RIN TV's coverage of the 2013 RIMS conference. We'll have more from Los Angeles starting April 22nd.